AI Project Management Tools, 7 Ways SMBs Ship Faster in 2026. So, AI Project Management. It's something a lot of people ask about, and today we're going to walk through it step by step. Next up, moving on to what AI Project Management actually does differently. Traditional project management tools are essentially fancy to-do lists with Gantt charts. You enter tasks, set deadlines, and hope your team updates statuses manually. When something slips, you usually find out at the Friday stand-up, which is already too late to fix without a scramble. AI project management changes the feedback loop. Instead of waiting for humans to report status, the system infers it from activity data, code commits, messages, file edits, and calendar blocks. When the pattern looks like a task is running behind, the system flags it, suggests a mitigation, and can reroute work automatically. The difference is not just speed. AI surfaces problems at the moment you can still fix them, not after the deadline has passed. Next up, let's talk about 7 ways AI project management helps SMBs ship faster. Most SMB teams operate without a dedicated project manager. Someone wears 3 hats, and the most urgent task changes by the hour. AI project management tools solve this by analyzing task dependencies, deadlines, and individual workload to generate a daily priority queue for each person. The practical result: instead of a developer opening their board and guessing what to work on, they see a ranked list ordered by business impact and deadline proximity. Microsoft Copilot integrated project platforms can factor in calendar availability too, so the AI won't prioritize a 4-hour task at 3 p.m. when your developer has back-to-back meetings. Teams using automated prioritization report roughly 2 fewer hours per developer per week spent on task switching overhead. Across a 10-person dev team, that's 20 hours per week returned to actual delivery work. Now, let's talk about AI project management versus traditional project management. Traditional tools still work fine for simple, single project teams. If you're managing a 5-person team on one continuous project with stable scope, a basic tool handles it without adding complexity overhead. The math changes when you're running 3 or more projects in parallel. Your team is fully utilized in context switching constantly, you have fixed client delivery dates with real financial consequences for missing them, or your projects involve dependencies across teams and tools. Race a direct comparison. Now, what to look for in AI project management software? Not all AI project management tools deliver the same capabilities. Race what actually matters for SMBs evaluating platforms. Native integrations with your current stack. If you're on Microsoft 365, look for tools that connect directly to Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook. Bolt-on integrations via Zapier work, but they break more often. Microsoft's Power Platform documentation covers native connectors that are significantly more reliable for enterprise-grade workflows. Explainable recommendations. When an AI suggests rescheduling a milestone, it should show you why. A system that just says move this without backing data is a liability. Now, how Microsoft Azure integrates with AI project management. For SMBs already on Microsoft Azure, AI project management is an extension of what you're running, not a separate system to maintain. Azure AI services plug directly into project workflows through the Power Platform. Here's how it typically works in practice. This architecture means you don't need to replace your existing project tool. You layer AI intelligence on top of it. A company already using Azure DevOps for engineering pipelines can add AI-powered risk scoring and automated reporting without migrating to a new system. We've covered how Azure DevOps CI/CD pipelines help teams ship code faster elsewhere, and the same efficiency logic applies directly to project management workflows. Now, moving on to what SMBs can realistically expect in ROI. ROI claims for AI tools range from genuinely impressive to impossible to verify. Here's what realistic Year 1 numbers look like for SMBs that actually implement AI project management properly. Conservative estimate. Where the numbers get bigger, for SMBs with fixed-price client contracts, every deadline hit is margin protection. One retained client contract because a risk was caught early can generate more value than the annual software license cost. Next up, moving on to conclusion. AI project management gives SMBs a structural advantage that compounds over time. The 7 capabilities covered here each save hours individually. Together, they change how a team operates month over month. The practical starting point: identify your biggest project pain point right now. Missed deadlines? Resource conflicts? Status reporting overhead? Start with the one AI project management capability that addresses it directly, implement it, and measure the impact over 60 days before adding more. Q Services helps SMBs across healthcare, logistics, fintech, and SaaS implement AI project management on Microsoft Azure. If you want to see what a structured 30-day implementation looks like for your team, reach out and we'll map it out together.